Hello guys, we're going to learn how to solve for how many studs you need on any size of wall using inches. Remember 12 inches equals 1 foot. So if I have a wall that measures, let's say 30 feet, I know that each foot has 12 inches, so I have to do 30 times 12, which is 360 inches. 360 inches, I just divided by whatever on center I'm going to be using. In this case, 16 inches on center. So all I have to do is do the 360 divided by 16, and that's going to give me 22.5. Number of studs. But remember, 0 is also a number. So I'm going to round this out to 23 plus 1. So 24 is your answer for how many studs you would need on the 30-foot wall using inches.